Before we start memeing, I just want to say thank you to every single one of you for the amazing support over the last few weeks. Almost 200 subs, crazy views, countless likes, and I was able to interact with so many people in this little community. We are working on setting up a Discord server for those interested, where we'll be setting up events, real-time Q&As, and some other things that are not meant yet to be told. Thank you all again, and let's get into the devlog. Last week, we gave the weapons functionality and gave them to the player. So this week, we made them fancier. We added some effects and gave it sounds when it shoot, but the sounds is poop. We'll get our music guy to make sounds for weapons later. Speaking of the music guy, our first few songs came through, and when the game comes out, we could put the songs on Spotify if some of you would enjoy that. So definitely let us know if that interests you. So the team got together and talked about the coinage situation. We have the currencies in our game set up, but what else would keep you guys engaged? Well, not only will you collect coins from killing zombies, you'll also get XP for it. Now, we're not 100% sure about this feature, so after this video goes live, I'm going to host a poll to see if we should keep it in. While you need coins to unlock upgrades and character skins and other things, you'll need to be a certain rank to actually be able to purchase that upgrade. It's just another form of doing more while playing the game, but we're not sure if it's redundant or not. So to give like an example, you're level 3 and have 100 coins. You can't unlock this weapon for 75 coins until you're level 4. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this system. After getting all the XP sorted, we realized there's still 5 days left in the week to work on the game and then make the devlog. So we thought it would be more than enough time to look into getting the game onto our phones for testing. We were wrong. With only 48 hours left to create and release this video, we finally got the game on our phones. Holy f***. This took so much longer than expected. Get ready for this. It's gonna be a doozy. We first had to pay $99 to Apple to become a developer, and then I had to open Unreal Engine's iPhone packager, and then I had to create a certificate request and then enter all the information. Then I had to get my clothes, then I had to leave my device, plug in my phone, import that data, then look at my devices on iTunes on PC, and now I had to create a Unreal Engineering Pro project setting, then I had to wait 15 minutes, and then I could finally install the game to my phone for testing. But how do I get it on the App Store so others can test the game? How would I be able to publish this game from my Windows PC? Then I had to install some sort of thing, but then I still had my Mac. Then I had to install the latest plugin website later charge again, but it failed again because one line of code was different. Then I went back to my PC, fixed the line, re-emailed it to myself, re-uploaded the transporter, but it failed again because the entire time I was packaging this game, it was for development. But to be on the App Store in test flight, it has to be distribution. So I went back and read this entire process 2 more times, and holy after 3 days of bull and bugs and crashing and screaming and crying, the game is finally on the App Store. It's on test flight, and I can invite anyone to test our game on their own device. Why was this so complicated? Why is it so complicated and complicated and complicated? Why is it like this to develop an app game for iOS or whatever on Windows? Like, so after that whole debacle, the last thing we accomplished was overhauling the UI and actually making it function as intended. I created a level in UE so we could take screenshots of our assets and then throw in the Photoshop. And after some editing, messing around with the layers, I've created different backgrounds for different prices or rarities for items. We have common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, godlike, and lastly, developer. It was a wild week, but honestly, after just playing the game on our phones for a bit, we realized it was worth it, and it's actually starting to feel real. If you guys have any ideas you think would be spicy to add to our game, please leave a comment down below. That's gonna be it for this one. Thank you all for watching, and have a dope day. Deuces.